Hello and welcome to another episode of Santa Killer Projects. We're looking at the Jeep Grand Cherokee. They didn't bring any Cherokees for us to look at here at the auto show this year, so the only ones that we're going to end up being able to see are the Grand Cherokee. The Grand Cherokee has a base starting price of $40,595. The Reserve Summit, which is the highest end model of that, starts at $67,750. The Cherokee will come with a 3.6 liter Pentastar motor that puts out 295 horsepower. You can also get in a 5.7 Hemi that puts out 357 horsepower. These have a towing capability of about 6,200 pounds, which really doesn't make it all that great on towing, but you could end up pulling a trailer, a travel trailer if need be. These cars are set up with all the bells and whistles for the auto show here. This one in particular has a massive amount of storage space in the back with a split rear seat. This one in particular actually comes with TV screens that you can actually see in the rear there, and all tan leather interior. The one that they got here comes with a cloth interior mixed with a leather. This one's set up as like the luxury edition with the faux wood interior. And dial knobs for gear shifting, and an integrated screen display, and then a head display behind the steering wheel. Things are fairly well set up for luxury. This is a 3-row, so you have your second row here with a couple cup holders, all leather interior, and then a third row behind that and set up for another 2 seats in the back. This will comfortably seat 6. An electric version of this, we're not going to cover any of that because nobody wants to see electric cars. Electric cars don't make a whole hell of a lot of sense, but the market is going towards it because they're being forced to. This one in particular should have the 5.7 liter V8. The blue on this one is actually a pretty cool looking blue. I don't know if it's really being captured very well by the camera here, but this is the E one. A lot of these are showing us the electric ones only. One is also an E, but there isn't really a way around it. Jeep seems to have brought all their electric vehicles to showcase. This one also has leather interior and an integrated center display screen. For the Grand Cherokees, this is the only Cherokee that they have here. This is actually only the one that's actually gas. The other two that I showed, the blue one and the other gray one, which are there and there, are electric. These are very nice cars, but they don't have very much of them for us to look at. Thanks for watching. Please make sure to like, share, and subscribe.